Welcome friends. In this example, we will learn how to get the ID of form which contains drop-down list. Up till now, we have just accessed the various properties of child element. In this example, we will learn how to retrieve the various details of parent element. So, we will first retrieve the child element or a current element, and using that element or node, we will access parent node. Let's create one form which contains drop down list. So right first select to create drop down. I am giving ID to DRP and complete select, which is drop down. I want to give various options like apple, completing option. I don't want to add more elements or items in drop down, so I am just completing drop down list. And after that, in the body tag, I have written one paragraph tag which shows the ID of the form is text. Now after that, I want to display ID of the form, so I have written script tag after the paragraph. So now let's write the script for accessing the form ID of drop down. So let's write first document dot write method to display a text. In document.write method, I have to pass string. So I am writing document.getElement by ID. I am passing ID of dropdown trp dot form. So particular dropdown which is here DRP. What is the form of DRP? Means dropdown. To access that form, dot form is used. Now I want to retrieve the ID of the form. Now ID is the child of form, so I am accessing ID of form, which is ID, and save this document. Now we have written full method to access form's ID. Here our form ID is my form. Now let's run and check what is the output of this page. We can see dropdown is created which contains one item and one paragraph is printed. The ID of the form is my form, which is written using the document.getElement by ID and passing the ID of dropdown dot form dot ID. So this is the method to access parent element using child element properties. So this is about accessing and getting ID of form that contains dropdown. Thank you.